welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic settings for this watch, Casio AQ-S820W. So first step is to make sure that we are in the timekeeping mode. You can do that by press and hold the mode button until double beep and it will show something like this, day and then second. Okay, next is the hand settings or hand alignment. And to do that, press and hold the adjust button until it shows edge set. So press and hold. Now shows adjust, but still press and hold until showing edge set and then release. Okay. And then the hands will trying to point out to 12 o'clock or 0 o'clock position. So now you need to set the hands to point out exactly at 12 o'clock. So if it is a bit to the left, then you can use the search button to move to the right, and if it is a bit to the right, you can use the light button to point out to the left. So yes, it should point out to 12 o'clock or 0 o'clock position, not the current time, but 0 or 12 o'clock position, something like this. Okay, now press the adjust button if you already aligned the hands, and yes, we are back to the timekeeping mode. The next step is to set the digital time, date and so on, and to do that, press and hold the adjust button until it shows ADG or adjust and then release. Okay, and now we can set the first one is the time zone. And yes, for this one you can use the light button to move to the west or to the left side of the map, and this one the search button to move to the right side of the map. Okay, and then next press the mode button. And now we can set the daylight saving. If you want to turn on or off, use the search button. So this one is on, this one is off. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we set the time format. So this one 12-hour format, and press the search button. Now is the 24-hour format. So for this tutorial I will use the 24-hour format, and then press the mode button, and now is the second. You can reset using the search button. If it is 30 or more, it will reset with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will reset without additional minute like this. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the hour. Use these two buttons. The light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the minute. The same thing, light button will decrease and search button will increase. Okay, now press the mode button, and now is the year. You can use the light button to decrease and search button to increase. Okay, mode button, and now is the month. Also the same thing, light button and search button. Press again the mode button, and now is the date. Also the same thing, light button to decrease and search button to increase. Now press the mode button, and we are setting the mute or the key tone. So this one is a key tone, meaning that the mode button will give beeping sound. And if you want to activate the mute button or silent button operation, you can press the search button. So now mute, meaning this will silent the button beep, but still for the alarm, timer, and also the signal still give beeping sound. So let me set as normal, so with key tone. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the length of the backlight. 1 meaning 1.5 seconds, and you can use the search button to change. 3 meaning 3 seconds. Okay. And then press the mode button, and now is the language. You can use the search button to change. So this one is the language for the name of the day. So I will set as English, and then press again the mode button, and now back to the setting of the time zone or the city. And if you're done with those settings, you can press the adjust button on the top left, and done. The analog hands will follow the time that we have set. And yes, one more thing, for the digital display, you can press the search button to change the view. So this one is month, date, and then second. This one is hour, minute, and second. And this one is day of the week and second. Okay, that's all for the basic settings. I will also make the more detailed tutorial for the setting and operation. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.